Orbit Industries, your universal source for electrical products. Orbit is proud to feature the BH-3, a versatile and effective fixed bar hanger. Originally used for the installation of recessed lighting cans onto T-bars, the BH-3 now allows for mounting of Orbit's extra-deep 4-inch box for fire alarm devices and LED lighting retrofits. This improved bar hanger features bendable tabs and a range of box adjustability, making the BH-3 one of the most efficient ways to install devices and fixtures on T-bars. The BH-3 features slots which allow for box adjustment in a variety of horizontal and vertical positions. With 5 different places to install a box horizontally and a vertical placement range of a 1/2 inch to 1 1/4 inches, the BH-3 offers a wide degree of flexibility. This allows for pre-assembly of Orbit's extra-deep box in BH-3 and ensures flush installations. Once the box is correctly positioned, the installation onto T-bars is quick and easy. Simply snap the assembly onto the T-bar using the BH-3's cutouts. Then bend tabs on each end of the hanger and secure using Tek screws. The BH-3's dependable tabs even meet 2014 NEC code, which requires additional stability and security for boxes installed in suspended ceiling locations. In addition, Orbit's 4 SEDB CKO steel junction box complements the BH-3. Featuring ceiling depth markings, the box position needed on the BH-3 for a flush finish can be easily achieved. The 4 SEDB CKO is also 2-hour fire rated and available in red for alarm devices. Bendable tabs and the ability to preset the position of the box give the installer complete versatility and security for flush installations every time. This allows the BH-3 to essentially eliminate the challenges of installing devices and recessed lighting fixtures. With these features in mind, the BH-3 is ideal for recessed fixtures, lighting, electrical devices, fire alarm installations, LED recessed downlights, and low-voltage equipment. Orbit Industries, improving your bar hanging experience.